Hey there, Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to do a rather silly Valentine's kind of thing, and this is how to draw the Pug Hug of Love. So you're going to want like an oval for the face, and then a little kind of box down there for the body, and the arms are going to come around like that, and then you're going to want a little heart in here as well. So let's kind of sketch the heart in, and I'm not pressing hard. Sometimes people say, I can't see properly, press harder. But if you press hard, then all the graphite in the pencil gets dug into the paper, and you find that you can't erase it later. And that's what we're going to want to do, because we are going to go start inking in first. So what I'm going to do is to start actually by putting the paws in like that. Okay, and this is going to come from the head. And that will come in there like that, and we can just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we can put the heart in. Okay, so this is coming in kind of behind the paws. So this is a good thing about drawing in pencil first, so you can kind of plan what you're going to do. And then we're going to want to have the head coming around, so we're going to want to join up there. It's going to want to come around like that. Good. Now the eyes are going to be kind of right across the middle here, so we want to have these circles like that, and inside them you're going to want another circle, and then like a little circle there at 1 o'clock, and shade in, so you're leaving a little bit of white for the shininess in the eye. And then we're going to want to have a little nose here. And again, I'm going to put that little white ball in there. And we want to have a funny little thing coming around here, which pugs kind of have, don't they? And he's going to want to have a little line under his nose and a little kind of happy, lovey-dovey smile. And then the ears are going to go up and down and back, up and down and back, and we can come put the inside of the ears like that, but we're going to really shade these ears in quite definitely like that, because they're very kind of shaded kind of characters, aren't they, pugs? And we're going to really want to shade around the eyes to get that kind of pug look. While I'm shading around here, if you're still watching, you obviously like drawing, so click down here and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more videos every week. And like this week I'm doing a whole week of Valentine's things. Right, let's bring the leg down there, and that's going to come around, well, the body down there, and that's going to come around. That's kind of like the tummy. There, paw, 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 paw. And then they have those funny little curly tails, don't they? Like that. And then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. I'm going to put a little bit of shininess there on the heart. We're going to need a bit of shade coming up the side of the face like that, and a bit more up there and underneath there, and some on the paw, and then we're going to need some shade underneath here as well. That will just come around like that. Need some underneath the heart, and then a bit of shade behind there, and then we could have some sort of grass or something there in the horizon, maybe a little bit more grass there, and then I think we're going to need some shade underneath him like that, and then maybe, because it's kind of a pug in love, we could have some hug marks like that. Did I put enough shade in there? I think we need a bit more in there. And I think I'm just going to put these little, make those eyebrows just a little bit more serious, and I'm going to put some cross hatching inside the ears there, just to make it a bit darker, I think. And there you go, how to draw the Pug Hug of Love. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.